everyone for coming today. Since the last time I visited here, this plant list does not have all the species, but it has most of it. We're going to break up into groups. We have Rich Spellenberg, like a premier botanist from the region, and also the author of the
sunflower family.
Here, there's some grass species and carices that if you're interested, and we can also go through the keys and identify those as well. And we have Russ Kleinman. Where are you, Russ? Russ, who's also from the Gila Wilderness. He has a fabulous site with the Gila Wilderness flora.
This one I have to look on the microscope. This is from a harder family, so I can tell you the family but not the genus.
The refuge folks, do you want to introduce yourselves at all?
Just amazing to be here, actually. This is a really unique area. It's kind of I'm kind of blown away every time I see somewhere that has perennial water.
Really excited to be here. I came to the Sun and Drift for the last one that she had here, but we weren't able to make it all the way up to Rope Spring, so I'm really excited to finally get to see what she was talking about.
Okay, I like them a lot. The turnout this time has been just spectacular.
I think it's quite a diverse area, particularly when you consider the Ocotillo hillside with Daslurian, the sotol, and see that stalk? That's an agave.
We learned like some new plants here, like all the sumac ones.
Which family is it in again? That's what I thought.